Hello, my name is Igor and Tarov. Electric Motors Club is with you. Today is the New Year's Eve and it's time to give presents. And we wonder, how many gift boxes of this size can fit in Tesla? And also how much more such boxes can fit in Model X than in Model S. I suggest you now pause this video and answer this question. Write your number in the comments and we'll see which one of you guessed correctly. Let's get it started, watch the video to the end. Well, my friends, we'll need a lot of such gifts, so we prepared them. We've got many boxes like that, and we're going to fill Model S with them. We'll fill the car completely up to the roof itself, in order to compare two cars. After that, we'll try to do this with a driver, because someone has to deliver and give all those gifts. So I have to fit in. But before I start putting the boxes into the car, I'll tell you about one feature. In both cars, the rear row of seats cannot be folded. In a car with a folding rear row, even more gifts can fit. Let me show you. This Tesla has executive seats. It's very cool. Executive seats means you've got armrests in your car, and so the rear row of seats cannot be folded. But our test is fair and equal, because in Model X the rear row also does not fold, and the cars are in equal position. Let's start with the trunk. Model S has a huge trunk. In addition to general space, there is also a large space here, where two small suitcases can fit. And here we have a question. Are wires considered a part of Tesla? Should we take them out and put boxes in there, or leave them? Eventually I came to the conclusion that we can put the wires in the left compartment, because they fit there perfectly and do not interfere with the boxes, and consider the wires a part of Tesla. Come on, come on. Yes! Well, 17 gift boxes fit in the Model S trunk. I don't think you can add more. I play Tetris, so I twirl the boxes a bit. The optimal number is 17 boxes. Let's fill the interior. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 boxes. Glass roof adds space. With a metal roof, the 7th box might not fit. Let's go on. I feel like under the avalanche of gifts. Literally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes fit on the right passenger seat. So friends, on the driver's seat 7.5 boxes fit. One of the boxes shifted to the middle, and I don't remember exactly how many boxes I pushed into the middle. I have lost count. Therefore, the interior result we can count only after taking all those boxes out. But first we must fill another part of the car. The front trunk. So after all my efforts, I was able to shove only one box of this size into the front trunk. In the rear-wheel drive Tesla, there would be twice as much space and two large boxes would fit for sure. But in this case, you'll have to choose smaller gifts, since there is still plenty of small space here. I gave my elves the task to unload the Model S and to accurately count the number of boxes. In the meantime, I'm going to fill this beautiful white Model X. Lots of boxes can fit here. What do we have? In the lower compartment we can also fit 2 boxes, but there's still half the space to put something else, because the lower compartment is larger than in Model S, but no more boxes of our size can fit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. 18 boxes can fit into the upper compartment of the trunk and 2 boxes into the lower compartment. Therefore, 20 boxes can fit into the Tesla Model X trunk. Without folding the second seat row, only with folded third row. Super cool. Let's go on. So the rear part of the 6-seater Model X, the one that has a passage in the middle, is able to contain 23 boxes. What a crazy number! There's a lot of space in the front. Let's see what we can do. Well, we came to about the same state as when we counted the number of boxes in the Model S with the driver, without a front trunk yet. I can say that 17 boxes are now placed on my right, 17 boxes just in front part of the car. 40 boxes are in the interior altogether, plus 20 boxes in the trunk. So we've already got 60 boxes in the car, without filling driver's space in the front trunk. Well, calculations showed that in the Model S we can place a total of 59 boxes, and in the Model X 76 boxes. The difference is 17 gift boxes. Of course, we won't stop there. No, we won't try to fill Tesla Semi with boxes. In 2020 we will come up with something to put into Tesla Semi, but we wondered whether it was possible to send 17 gift boxes into space at Tesla Roadster. Let's check. To open Roadster's trunk we need a key. Roadster is the only Tesla car that has a key. How do you think how many gifts can fit in the trunk, given that there is already the car's roof in there? Let's see. Place your bets. This is the roof. It looks like this, and we put it on top. And besides the roof, we can put 1, 2 gifts inside. And there's still lots of space. Let's try. Nice! So the Roadster's trunk is even bigger than Model X's front trunk. Let's see what can fit into the interior. So the Roadster holds 17 boxes along with its trunk. This one is the 18th. It fits very well. Let's check if we can install the roof. Closing. 18 boxes are going to Mars. By the way, in one of the following videos on our channel, we'll present some of these boxes with gifts to people on the street, and we'll look at their reaction. Wait for updates. No chances. Wow! I thought the box would stick out the top. One box.